I took you from that to this. Laid and slayed, and what lace? Hey guys, it's me, Kayla Patrice. If you don't know, well, now you know. And if you're new to my channel, then hey, thanks for coming. So if you're like me and you have sensitive skin and Ghost Bond or bulb hold breaks you out, and this is for you. So I installed this wig on Monday with Got To Be in the freeze spray. So today's Thursday, and I just needed to do a little bit of maintenance to it to kind of secure it back down properly. It was secured, but like I said, I haven't done anything to it until now because I wanted to show you guys how I kind of get it back looking fresh without having to take the whole wig off. So if you want to see how I do that, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I look super crazy. My wig is lifting up. So I'm going to show y'all how I kind of restore everything without taking the whole wig off. So I have my wig bucket here that has everything that I need for my wigs in it. So the first thing I'm going to do is brush out the hair, and I might actually do a different style, maybe like a half up, half down bun type of thing. I'll decide once I do my install and stuff. Well, refresh it. So I'm gonna brush the hair back out of my way because I am gonna clip it. Now I don't have the back sewn down or anything. I should probably sew it down, but I don't think I am. Alright y'all, so I've had this wig on since Monday, so that's pretty good, and I haven't really had to do anything to it. I personally cannot use bulb hold, Ghost Bond, any of that stuff because it breaks me out really bad. Like, it gives me like a chemical burn. So I have really sensitive skin when it comes to that type of stuff, so I have to do the Got To Be. And honestly, I can't even really do the black Got To Be because it does the same thing. So I have to do what's best for my skin. So I'm gonna take care of the sides first. My cap is still attached to the wig, so that's fine. So yeah, I'm just gonna take care of the sides first. So I'm just gonna use my Got To Be glue, the yellow one, and then my free spray. I was using the Chi helmet head spray, but I feel as though that one kind of makes my lace a little bit harder. And I want my lace to kind of stay nice and soft. So I think I'm just gonna switch back over to using the Got To Be free spray. Like, I honestly wish I could use bulb hold and stuff, but I'm not trying to have like a burn. That's what happened why like I have this dark ring around my forehead, because I was trying to be cute, and I think I used Ghost Bond, and the Ghost Bond broke me out. But it literally really all started with the black Got To Be. That's how I initially got the burn. So it all started with that. And then I tried the Ghost Bond, and the Ghost Bond did the same thing. Then I tried the bulb hold, and that did the same thing. It wasn't as bad as it was with the Ghost Bomb, but it still irritated me. So once I have that down, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my freeze spray and smooth it back out. Alright. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and blow dry that on medium heat until it becomes tacky. Okay, so it's tacky. So I'm gonna hold it for a couple seconds and blow dry it again. It doesn't have to be perfect because I'm gonna go back over those edges anyway with what's it called? With the spray. So I'm not really tripping. It's not perfect. So I'm gonna try to get it as perfect as possible because that means less work for me. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blow dry it until it is completely down. Alright, so that's good for right now. I just missed this little spot, as you can see, but I'm not worried about it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other side. Then I'm gonna blow dry. Clips in this wig, but I don't know, I guess I just never got around to doing it. All right, so that's the hard part. Now we're gonna do the easy part, and that's just working with the lace around the perimeter. So I'm gonna make sure everything is nice and free, because in this process we're gonna have to comb out the hairs as well so they don't get stuck in the hairspray. So I just want to make sure everything is as free as it can be. I don't really want any of my little baby hair stuck. Just gonna make your job harder. So I'm gonna start with the sides. So, and try not to spray too much. Try. So I'm just gonna take my blow dryer on cool and my little edge brush. All right, y'all, so y'all can see that literally melted right in. So that's what you want. Honestly, I wish I could do boho, but I just can't. Then I wouldn't have to do this, but whatever, it's fine. All right, y'all, so boom, that side's done. It literally just melts right into the skin. So looks good. All right, I have had this wig on since Monday without any maintenance or anything, so I just tie it up at night. So yeah, so now we're gonna work on the front and the other side. Right, so the front done. Y'all, I don't know if it's just this new bottle of got to be that's hitting right, or but what the okay, what looks bomb. All right, so I'm just gonna brush this back. All right, y'all, so I am going to put my little silk wrap on for maybe like how long? Like 15 minutes, do my baby hairs, and then I will come back and show y'all the finished results. Alright, y'all, so I've had my head wrap on for I don't know how long, but this is what you get when you take it off. Boop. Right, and you're all laid down. Sometimes I comb my baby hairs out and sometimes I don't. It just depends on if I am gonna wear the hair up or down. And right now I'm not quite sure, so I'm just gonna leave it as is. But and then these little lines are from my little cap or whatever, but it'll be fine. But this is what you look like. So all right, y'all, so thank you for watching. If y'all enjoyed that, let me know. Like I said, this is for like my got to be wig wears, not like so much for my bold hold ladies and my ghost spawn ladies, because that lasts longer. But if you're like me, you have sensitive skin when it comes to adhesives, then baby, I just got you in line. Okay, yes, so didn't even have to take the wig off or anything. So yeah, if you liked what you saw, then don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and share. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, if I'm gonna put it up or down, or if I'm gonna sew the back down. I might sew the back down, I don't know yet. But yep, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next one.